Hey everyone, we're going to discuss Theory C of 5.1, which is called Products of Binomials and Trinomials, which seems very fancy for those who don't know the words, but binomials and trinomials are not anything to worry about. What are binomials? Binomials are sums of two terms. So for example, 2x plus 3 is a binomial. In Dutch, een tweeterm. Twee dingen bij elkaar opgeteld, 2x plus 3. Well, then maybe it won't be a surprise to hear that a trinomial is a sum of three things. For example, 2x minus 3y plus 8, or 7x plus 3y minus 11. Drie termen, drie dingen bij elkaar opgeteld of van elkaar afgehaald. And actually, we can now calculate products of those things. For example, a binomial times a trinomial. How can you do that? For example, here we have x plus 5 times 5x minus y plus 7. This is actually just the parrot's beak method, but extended. If you now draw all the curves, you can actually see some sort of 3D beak appearing here, right? If this is the outside of the beak and this is the inside of the mouth, and here's the inside of the mouth and here is the outside of the beak, it's a 3D parrot beak, you can say. So nothing really spectacular happens here, only that you have to do a bit more calculation here. X times 5x, x times minus y, x times 7, and 5 times 5x, 5 times minus y, and 5 times 7. It will give you this as a result. Check yourself if you also found this. The new step, or not new step, the last step that you have to do here is simplify. So just add and subtract stuff that has the same letter combination. And here I'm left with quite some stuff, right? The only thing that I could have added together here is the 7x plus 25x, and the rest stays in the same place. Again, first everything with x's on front, then everything with y's, and then the low numbers. Let's take a look at the second example, 2x plus 1 to the power of 3. What I would suggest here is first writing it like this. This is the same, right? 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 squared, because squared just means twice times itself. You could have also written this as 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1. They do it like this, and what they now first are going to do is multiply out the brackets of this remarkable product here, which is the first thing squared, 4x squared, times 2 times, plus 2 times 2x plus 1 is 4x, and the 1 squared is here. So this bit transforms into this bit. And if you now watch carefully, I have a binomial times a trinomial again, which is 2x times 4x squared, 2x times 4x, 2x times 1, and 1 times 4x squared, 1 times 4x, and 1 times 1. Calculate, 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 write this down, watch out that you don't make small calculation errors, and you will find this. Right, and this x to the power of 3 here appears because I do x times x squared. Right. And then simplify. Are there any things that I can add together? Yeah, I see something with x squared here and x squared there. And I see something with x and something with x here. So I can now simplify this to find the final result, which is 8x to the power of 3 plus 12x squared plus 6x plus 1. And then you're done. Okay? So that's theory C, products of binomials and trinomials. And with that, we have finished paragraph 5.1. Here is the glossary of the two new terms that I introduced you to, tweetermen and drietermen. Practice this enough, and again, I keep repeating myself, check yourself as well, because it's easy to make mistakes in this paragraph. Good luck!